Hi everyone, how is it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use stylish text in WhatsApp. For doing this, you have to download an app. If you use Android, just go to Play Store. If you use iPhone, just go to Apple Store. So I use Android, I'm going to Play Store. So just click on Play Store and you can see such kind of interface. Next, search here stylish text. So I got the first app, stylish text font and emoji. So just click on it. Then you will see here there is I already installed it. If you haven't installed yet, just install it, and after installing just click on open and it's opening. And you can see such kind of interface and just sweep it in the left side. So I'm going to sweep it. Next, you can see here at the bottom side there is arrow button. So just click on arrow button and you can see here that is floating bubbles and bar. So just click on it. Next, input option, just click on it. Next, favorite style, just click on it. It's okay. And you get such kind of interface. Next, you can see here there is type here. So you type here what you want to send. Suppose I'm gonna type here that is WhatsApp. So I just typed here WhatsApp. Then you will see a number of stylish text here, WhatsApp. And now select which one do you like. Suppose I'm gonna like this one, WhatsApp. Okay, now if you want to copy it, just click on the copying. You can see here it's copied. If you want to share it on WhatsApp, so just click on share. It's okay. And you can see here there is my WhatsApp. So I'm gonna click on WhatsApp. It's okay. Now I'm gonna send him that is. So just click on arrow button. It's okay. And I can see here this is the text and I send him WhatsApp. It's okay. So you can send on WhatsApp stylish text that way. Also you can share from that side WhatsApp and you can see also WhatsApp. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you feel better, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.